In the swap meet section, we also have cars for sale. Here is a interesting color. Originally Marina blue, needs paint. Yeah, original motor, 54.5. It's a 67 327 automatic, power steering, power brakes.
Put that on in this sunlight. It gets
29.5 for the 71 T-top with rear factory air conditioning, matching numbers. Nice automatic, power steering, brakes, windows, tilt, removable rear window. Nice looking car. I like them. 98 6-speed, 13.5. Wide body kit. These are outrageous. You want to stop traffic? That's the way to do it. Hood front and rear, 1100. That is damn good. Wow. Fenders with the flare. Let's see how much the fenders are. Pair for 300. Not bad at all. $300 on that. Some stainless. 125 for that grill. 66 or 67. The bumperettes we've got. $395 complete with bracketing and everything. They do have to be re-chromed. $2,000. The Z06 wheels. Let's continue on. Alright, continuing on. Here we got a wiring harness. That's the main wiring harness for a 5354 for $250. Master cylinder marked down to 50. Expansion tank for 60. Vacuum wiper motor for 20. Oh, I hated those. I had Ramblers and they had them. Oh, surrounds and such. Oh, look at that beautiful wood wheel. How much are you asking on the wood wheels?
Which one? The original or the reproduction?
No, let's go with both. Why not? This is on tape, so don't do anything silly. Don't say anything dirty.
The reproduction's $800.
Uh-huh.
The original's $1,400.
Very nice. Yeah, good find on the original.
Yeah,
Jeez.
it's a nice wheel.
Unreal. I know that stuff is just hen's teeth to get.
Yeah.
Absolute hen's teeth. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here, I'll give you my plug. That's what I'm shooting for.
Okay.
So enjoy. Here.
Thank you.
Impolite to read over one's... oh, that's beautiful. That's C1? Yeah, 53, 54. Wow.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Talking about rare birds.
2018 Corvettes at Carlisle weekend. Presented by Corvettes.
That's nice. $750 for that. Points, $5 each. Wow. We even have a lot of dealers out here. This is Vet Masters. Check out these heads. That's from 66. 3,500 or 1,400. Depends on which set of heads you want. Both 66. Different casting numbers. The windshields. Beautiful set of seats. Reproduction hoods. Front fenders. Next door we've got a pile of suspension bits, both front and rear. And even if you're building a hot rod, this would be the place to go because you can get some really cool bits and pieces here. Complete rear diff. Rear suspension, a whole bit. There's the donor car. Yeah, right?